Hello, my name is Jose Cabrita from RapidX, and I will show you how to create a scope in SAP Cloud ALM. For those of you who don't know, a scope works as a container for solution processes and variants that are to be managed collectively during any implementation. I'm going to jump into our SAP Cloud ALM system, and here you will see that under implementation, I got access to the manage scope tile. Once you're there, you make sure that you have selected the correct project, and then you click on create and then scope. Provide scope name and description. And then you are going to proceed to select the solution scenarios that are going to be relevant for this project. I'm going to include the SAP best practice for S4HANA private edition, and then also SAP SuccessFactors compensation. When the selection is done, you click on save, and then you confirm all the solution scenarios that are going to be part of this project. When this is done, you're going to proceed to include the process that are going to be relevant for this area. So you click on process scoping, and this is going to show you all the business processes that are coming automatically by the selection of those scenarios. So in this case, you can just do it by selecting the custom business process. You can use the toggle button. You can see that that's now added, or you can also use the search if you know specifically which business process you are working on for the implementation. Again, you use the toggle button, and when that's done, you click on and scoping. And that's done. Your scope has been created, and now you have a business process that is going to be part of this particular activity. I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you.